guys are staying healthy, staying safe, and staying home. Now, I know many of you are probably feeling a little stressed, worried, maybe uncertain, especially in these uncertain times. So today we're going to do a nice relaxing video, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite things to use while being isolated at home. And a lot of them are very moisturizing, especially because we are washing our hands so often right now, which is very important. So I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite picks from Tarte. So one of the things I like to do to help myself kind of relax and unwind is make a cup of tea. And I've been drinking this brand Dragonfly tea. I love it because it's a peppermint, so it's very refreshing, very soothing, but also very calming. Apologize because my nails are in terrible condition. I have not been able to get my gels put on, so I've been painting them myself. So they're super chipped, and because I'm washing my hands so often, the polish isn't staying on as often or as well as I'd like. So I'm constantly having to repaint them, so I apologize for the appearance. So it means a lot to me, but I love the sound it makes. Now I'd like to share with you our maracuja oil. This has been my saving grace through this whole quarantine. It's keeping my skin hydrated, my hair hydrated, but most importantly, my nails. I keep a bottle right next to my sink, so every time I wash my hands, I apply it. And I like to press it right into my skin on my face. And I'll take any excess and rub it right into the ends of my hair. Each bottle has more vitamin C than an orange. So not only is it going to keep your skin hydrated, but it's going to help brighten and smooth as well. The next item that I've been reaching for is our Maracuja Sea Brighter Eye Treatment. This is a hydrating and brightening eye cream. It is also powered by maracuja oil, and I like to apply this every morning and every night after my serums. is so hydrating, and I love how it just instantly plumps and smooths out the appearance of my lips. It's also the perfect nude pink shade. Pink, pink. It feels so good when I put it on. It's never sticky, and it makes my lips feel so soft and smooth. And it also smells like vanilla icing, so I love this. It's got the best scent. Another item that I've been loving is our Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. This is very unique because it is the first ever hydrating setting spray. And it's in an eco-friendly container because this is not an aerosol spray can. There is a pressurized bag inside. Not only is the formula incredible, but it's also a much more eco-friendly alternative to an aerosol setting spray. Hopefully when I get my nails back on, everything will sound a lot better, the tapping. I do apologize. Now for the perfect application, we recommend you apply in a T motion. This way you get an even, hydrated finish. Now, I love this formula because, again, it is powered by Maracuja oil, so it's super hydrating, but it also keeps your makeup locked in place for 16 hours. Now, I just want to thank you all. This was my first ever ASMR video. I would like to do more of these, but in a tutorial style, so I just thought this would be a nice first one to incorporate some soft whispering as well as some sensorial sounds from some of my favorite products that I've been using. Now, I want you to please, please, please let me know in the comments section below if you like this style and what type of videos you'd like to see me do in this ASMR style. So please, I'd love to hear from you, and I hope that all of you are staying safe, staying healthy, and you're washing your hands and staying home. And I want to thank you again for watching. I will have a couple more of these coming out for you, and we'll see if you like them.